When intending to buy Hedera, the first place is to identify the right wallet to use in storing your coins. But with an abundance of choices now on offer, how do you decide which one to opt for? Fear not. In this guide, here are the answers to the following questions. What wallet can hold Hedera? The options include Ledger Live, MikeBar Wallet, Atomic Wallet, Trust Wallet, Exodus, Blade Wallet, and Hashpack Wallet. Is MetaMask an option? Hedera Smart Contract Service is EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, compatible, which means developers can continue utilizing familiar Ethereum development tools such as Web3.js, Truffle, Ethers, Hardhat, and Foundry to build on Hedera using the JSON RPC relay. And today's video is proudly sponsored by MyCryptoView, featuring Solana Multisender. Need to send tokens to multiple addresses? MyCryptoView's Solana Multisender tool is your solution. It's 50% cheaper than all other multisenders. Check it out to enhance your Solana airdrop distributions. Now, let's continue. Step 1. Go to Hashpack official website via the link in the video description. Step 2. Click on Get Hashpack. Step 3. Scroll down and click Install on Chrome button. Step 4. Click the Add to Chrome button. Step 5. Click the Hashpack icon on your Chrome. Step 6. Click the Create a New Wallet button. Step 7. Create a new password for your Hashpack wallet. Step 8. Click the Create a New Wallet button. Step 9. Select ECDSA account. Step 10. Save your seed phrase, keep in a safe place, never share with anyone, and verify your seed phrase. Step 11. Name your Hashpack account and select Currency Display, and click the Create Wallet button. Step 12. Once you've created your wallet, you can send and receive HBAR with your Hashpack wallet. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.